Oh my goodness. We got some squishy balls. We have some. Welcome to the review today, guys. We're going to be doing a review of this reusable water balls. These are really cool and they're great for using instead of water balloons. My dogs love these. Of course, as always, make sure that you supervise your pets and your kids when you're playing with things like these. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So in this package has 12 of them specifically, and I already filled, this one doesn't have water in it. I already filled one up with water. One of the things that are really cool about these from the other ones of these we have used, there's no magnets to hold this together. This is kind of cool. Eleanor's like, I would like to play with that, please. You can kind of see here, this is what it looks like before you put water in it, and you just form them, let them fill up with a little bit of water, and then they have water in them. Let's see what happens when I drop it on the ground or throw it on the ground. It definitely acts like a water balloon. All right, Eleanor, what do you think of this squishy ball? Ready? Oh, good catch. Good catch. What do you think of that one? She's like, whoa, hold on. It's different. Want to try again? This is pretty cool. I can just put it under the water and like squish it like that. You see the air bubbles come out? Pull it out and it's got water in it. It's full of water. Ready? Ready? Catch. Yeah! What do you think? Are those a win? Do you like those squishy balls too? It's like, whoa. And as I said, these are not actually dog toys, but Eleanor loves them. Hey, Eleanor, catch. She's like, these squishy balls are the best. Are those pretty good? Whoa, good balance, babe, good balance. Good job. We did find out that if they don't open up, they will float in the pool. But if the tops are open like that one is right now, they will sink in the pool. But there's a blue one floating over there and an orange one floating over here. And I think these are fun. I think the kids are going to have a lot of fun when they come to play too, because they like those as well. So as I said, not necessarily a dog toy, but our dogs absolutely love them. She's like, yeah, but there's one in here. Get it, El. Get it. You got to save it. She's like, I don't have to save it. There's one right behind me, Dad. And the blue one's coming right to me.
Well, save it.
She's like, I'm going to save this one. If you guys are looking for some great reusable water balls, we recommend these. Eleanor approves.